Okay, so we have reviewed counting coins using touch points, and we have reviewed adding up bills. So now we are going to work on putting the two together. So let's start by talking about this. This is how we are going to write our amount of money that we have. So we have a dollar sign right here, okay? So however many dollars we have, when we count that up, that number is going to go right next to the dollar sign. Okay, and then this little dot right here is called the decimal point. Okay, the decimal point is what separates the dollars, the bills like this one, from the cents, the coins like this one. So we're going to count up the bills, put that number here, and then we're going to count up the cents or the coins using touch points and put that over here. There are always only two numbers to the right of the decimal point. Okay, so let's try one out. Let's say that we have that. We have that. All right, well, let's see what we have. How many dollars do we have? Well, this one's simple. We just have $1 bill. So that would just mean a 1. Okay, $1. How many cents do we have? Let's count them. 5, 10, 15. So then we would read this as $1.15. Often when you read it, you can kind of think of the decimal as an and. That's where you'd say and. $1.15. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, got our next one lined up. So let's see what we have. It looks like we have $3 bills. Okay. So if we add those up, they're just ones, so we can just count by ones. $1, $2, $3. So we're going to write 3 next to the dollar sign. So that side's good. Now we need to figure out how many cents we have. So let's count them up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Stop. Now we're not counting by fives anymore. We're adding ones. 25, 26, 27. So we would read this across as $3.27. Okay, let's try another one. All right, so now let's say that we have this problem. Okay, so how many dollar bills do we have? Well, we have $5. This is a $5 bill. We don't have to count anything because it tells us right on it, and there's just one of them. So we're going to write $5. Okay, now we can go over here and count the cents. Let's count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. We're going to write 60 cents over here, and you would read this as $5.60. Okay, let's try another one. All right, we got our next one ready. So let's look at our bills first. Okay, so we can figure out how many dollars we need to write. Looks like we have a $5 bill, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 $1 bills. Okay, so we're going to have to count those separately. So we're going to say 5. We're always going to start with our bigger bills. Okay, so 5 is bigger than 1, so we're going to say 5. And then we're going to count up by ones. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9. So we're going to write that right here. $9. Okay, and now we can count our cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Stop. Because now we're going on to pennies. 36, 37, 38. Okay, so what do we have here? $9.38. Okay, let's do one more. All right, with our last example, let's look at our bills first. Looks like we have a $10 bill and 2 $1 bills. So let's add those up. We have 10, and then we have to add 2 more, 10, 11, $12. $12. Okay, and now let's look at our coins. Looks like we have a few more this time, so let's go ahead and count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, stop. What's after 95? 96. So right here we have $12.96. And that is the end of our review.